Xiaomi is unveiling its new Redmi Note 17 smartphone. This is a mid-range smartphone. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset with additional support of an octa-core CPU. There will be GPU of Adreno. There is an AMOLED touchscreen display with as big as 7 inches screen size, and the refresh rate would be at least 120 Hz and 1200 nits peak brightness. There will be dual camera system. Redmi Note 17 has Android 16 OS. RAM will be at 12 GB and storage will be 256 and 512 GB. Battery will be massive one and that will be at 1000 mAh with 45 watt fast charging. These phones have always had dual speakers. The durability is always strong and the screen also has optical fingerprint ID. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.